Bart, where did you get those?
There's an open house next door. They're giving out cookies and business.
Oh, come on, Marge. It's not fair to compare us to an American household.
Oh, it's so beautiful and modern.
A slightly colder fridge? In my lifetime? Amazing.
This is the kitchen I've always wanted.
Hey, Marge, can you press stop when my popcorn's done? Uh-oh.
But seeing that kitchen today made me wish we had something a little better for ourselves.
I'll build you a new kitchen, sweet.
But maybe we should hire a professional contractor.
A contractor? Those guys are the biggest crooks around.
Maybe you should turn off the power.
All right, easy, easy.
Play Dude magazines? Have you been hiding bosom rags from me?
Trying to.
The articles, eh? So, you wouldn't mind if I cut out all the erotic nudes?
Of course not.
I'm not wearing any clothes, so why don't I just splay myself on a pool table?
Sport fishing with Sonny Jurgensen. Oh! What man would want you now?
Whoa, Play Dude! The lady in this picture is hot. She can calamine my hives anytime. That's Congresswoman Bella Abzug. Ciao, Bella. We'll be Play Dude Playmates. We are Play Dude Playmates. We are Play Dude Playmates.
Calling a contractor. Thanks for taking the job. I'm sorry my husband is being so difficult.
Get lost, crook!
When Virginia Woolf wrote Every Woman Needs a Room of One's Own, she must have been talking about the kitchen.
Picking up some money because this stupid kitchen cost $100,000.
I was thinking of chicken wings.
Those are good, too.
Marge, Simpsons wasabi buffalo wings?
Oh, an Eastern twist on a Western New York favorite.
For Marge!
Huzzah! And how about a huzzah for my husband who paid for our new kitchen?
Never!
This here oven fresh bake-off, but up against you, I wouldn't have a Hindu's chance in heaven.
If you win, Oven Fresh Industries will make you the new face of anti-Oven Fresh.
Simpson, you must pursue your dreams, like my old dream of coming to America and starting a family, or my new dream of ditching my family and sneaking back to India in disguise. Apu? Never heard of him.
So, when do they start singing? Well, the Play Dude advisor says this music will get a stewardess to give you a layover.
Clever presentation is as important as taste, so I'm entering my dessert dogs.
It's dessert, but it's hot dogs, so it's good for you.
Marge, I don't want to freak you out, but I think I love you.
Mom, a letter from Oven Fresh Industries.
Well, open it, open it, open it. Oh, my God. Someone somewhere says I'm better than someone else.
Sorry, Ralphie. The bake-off rejected your recipe.
I want to be in the bake-off.
There. I think your grilled crayon sandwich was delicious.
Can you taste the thumbtacks?
Ah, crap.
Bart looks different today.
Listen up, ring-a-ding-dingers. I'm throwing a little sippin' quip at the Play Dude Treehouse. Saturday night at the top of the ladder.
I want to be a triangle.
You're not invited.
It's gonna be weird cooking without your tipsy father grabbing me from behind. Why, thank you, Billy.
Don't look at my human eyes!
Oh, don't mind Billy. His oven light's on, but nothing's cooking. That is so 90s. Why don't we all move to Seattle and use slow modems?
Great licks, man, great licks.
Yo, Bart, there's no room left in the grotto.
Hey, Bart, me and Mrs. Crabapple, we're gonna go play some backgammon, if you know what I mean.
I don't, but I hope you win.
Oh, he's gonna win.
Some guys like a challenge.
Start your kitchens!
up! You're tainting my entry! Why is everyone at this bake-off such a meanie bobini?
Listen here, Simpson. Your son has been exposing our kids to adult themes, unabashed dictionaries, and the lesser short fiction of John Cheever.
My dessert!
Attention, contestants! Baking time is over. Not in the judging room by the time this metal door hits the ground. Your entry will not be official and will be eaten by the janitor.
I guess I was the last one.
Damn it!
There's black in my sugar wieners. I'd like to give those Betty Crookeds a taste of their own medicine. Baby ear medicine. There's plenty for all of you. Now who's laughing? Huh? Huh? Me. I'm laughing.
I can't believe my mom would cheat.
Hey, sweetie, is Mom winning?
Oh, she'll win the contest, but she'll lose her soul.
But you'll still win the contest?
And lose her soul.
Look, it's Mr. Cashew, the Kubler Dwarfs. Snip, crinkle, and poof. Twinkle the Kid, I love you. Uh-oh.
You killed him.
He was my world.
Blood for cream!
Blood for cream.
Our two remaining dishes are Blackened Dessert Dogs by Marge Simpson and Armadillo a la Road by Brandine, no last name given.
That's an entry? I thought it was garbage.
Would you excuse us, Milton?
It's Millhouse.
Yeah, and your father's no house. Now scram! I thought I'd never have to do this, but it's time to tell you the facts of life. Do you know what a boob is?
Oh, yeah.
Good. That'll save us some time. Biological method by which children are created by a man and a woman is...
Then the man...
Well, it's better they hear it from me now than from their parents when they're old enough.
Don't forget your secret ingredient. Cheating!
Well, it's not my fault. Lisa, the people in this bake-off are stinker.
I don't want Mickey Mantle. I want my mom.
Hey, plenty of kids are gonna look up to me when I'm Auntie whatever it is. Can't you understand that I need this?
Welcome to the final battle of the Oven Fresh Challenge.
Oh, she's already ahead of me. Well, I didn't come this far not to cheat. I look up to you because you let me down. Stop the competition! What? I don't deserve to win. I sabotaged all the other entries. Thanks, honey, for saving me from myself.
And Marge, you'll always be the best chef in our house.
Hey, look! The new Oven Fresh flour bag.
That could have been me.
Oh, I wish it had been. Now that Brandine's famous, she done run off with James Carr.
That's it. Next time I fly.